special episode today with my daughter,
Annie!
and we are going to open her Kawaii box that she gets every month. I get it especially for her because she loves them. So that's going to be the Kawaii box. So this is the January box, and it takes literally like a month to get here because it goes through customs and stuff, but it is $19.90 a month, I believe. There's different plans, so if you pay 1 month at a time, it's $19.90. So we're gonna get ready and open our
Kawaii box, but first, I'm gonna tell you that the Kawaii box you get about 1 candy and you get all these Kawaii stuff. And let's get started.
So here we go, guys. So it comes with this pamphlet in there too, which also has everything that you get listed in there. It says like what it is, what the name of it is, and what brand it is, and then it also says get a free Kawaii box when you invite your friends. So now we're gonna get started and see what exactly we got.
But yeah! So I'm gonna show you guys what I got.
So this is the first thing that she got, and it is a Hungry Whale paper puncher.
Oh, so you have to open his mouth?
So this is what her paper punch looks like. It's a cute little whale, and then I'm guessing that's what it's gonna look like, which is like a little leaf. And, yep, see? This cute little leaf in the paper, and put that right here. And then the next thing we got
is one thing I really love. Squishies!
So this is a squishy tofu charm. It's really cute, kind of small.
But you
has
could
a little, yeah, it has a little connector on it, and like we said, it's tofu.
Wait, let me smell it. Oh, it smells like nothing.
Yeah, usually some squishies smell like fruit and stuff, but that one doesn't smell like anything.
Well,
That's the next thing.
I don't.
What do you think that is?
Let's open it up and find out.
So they're candy shaped. So I don't. We'll see if Annie can figure out what they are exactly, because I know.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Oh, they're markers?
Yeah, it says on there that they're highlighters. So there it is. That's opened up.
Cute.
And it almost is like just a marker, not a highlighter.
But you could try the yellow. You could try the yellow, it might be a regular.
We can try the yellow one. So the yellow is definitely more like a highlighter color.
Can't really.
They're super cute. Let me show you guys.
Well then.
So all the colors that you get, and they all look like candy. It says candy shaped mini highlighters.
Well, I didn't know what this was at first, and I still don't know what it is. It's very confusing looking, but it looks like a pig.
So this is a cute little bottle, actually.
Spray bottle. Oh, so like your hair? Yeah.
So it is. It's a cute, like that's the cap. I mean, don't put it on your mouth. So the cap is a pig, and then you open it up, and you can put water in. It's a little spray bottle. So that's cute.
And also we got.
So the next thing that Annie got.
Stamp set.
So she got a little thing of stamps, and it has little dogs.
They're dogs.
Let's see what it says.
Because cats have whiskers. They would put whiskers.
Yeah, you're probably right. I don't read Japanese, so I don't know. But they're really cute. They have a bunch of different kinds of stamp on them, and it looks like it's just pink ink. And they say like great and tea time and best. So that's cute. What's the next thing? What is it?
Sailor Moon!
So that's the pen that she got. It's really cute. It does look like Sailor Moon, but it's not. So let's see. I think it's a black pen, but still super cute. What's the next thing?
I don't know what this is.
It usually comes with one snack or candy, and it looks like this month she got a make your own candy. Oh my goodness.
What is
I think it's one of those, okay, so I think what it is it's a little blob that has something in the middle that you make by yourself, so when you eat it, it's either gonna be jelly or it's gonna be like water.
I want it to be water.
So we actually have another candy we can try to do a video where we do the Japanese candy where you make it. So what's the next thing?
The next thing,
oh, it always comes with like a plushie toy.
It's like,
And last month she got like an alpaca and it was super cute.
no, it wasn't an alpaca.
Yeah, that's what you got. I'm pretty sure last month you got
Oh
the
yeah, it
alpaca.
was like an alpaca.
So then she got Moomin. I don't know. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering these names. But I think he's super cute. He looks like a hippo, but I think he's a cow.
That's what Japanese cows look, I think.
Apparently that's what Japanese cows look like.
Let me see it.
Oh, that's cute. So he has a little suction cup on him.
He does?
Yep,
Where?
right here. So he has a little suction cup on him, so you can put him on a window in your car or something.
Put him on the window of your car.
He doesn't squeak or anything, but he's a little cute and fat. I love cute and fat
What a
things.
relief, though.
So what's the last thing we got?
I thought these were.
Oh, there's two more things.
There's two more things. I thought this was.
You know what it is?
I think they're tape. Yeah, they're tape.
So
These
are
cute little tapes. They look like cute little tapes.
so that's the tape that she got. Oh, it's a tiny little tape. It's really small, and then you can put whatever one that you want in it.
Mom, look. If you look at that one, it looks like the Harry Potter castle.
So this one actually has
Like,
London for some reason.
yeah,
right
and
there.
it looks like the Harry Potter castle.
So apparently downtown London or whatever that you would say that is looks like Harry Potter castle.
And guess what? We have.
And her last
We
thing she
got
got.
stickers.
Oh, and it usually always comes with
food.
stickers too. So let's see.
Wait, let's see if they're
It says
scented.
Dessert cake. And then here's all the different ones that you get inside the pack. And it says there's supposed to be 30 pieces in here.
Does it say that there's like smelly?
Well, Annie wants to see if they're scented. Let's see if they're scented. I don't even know if these are stickers, babe.
Are they? Oh, they are scented. Can I smell
I
it?
don't think they are, maybe. They just smell like paper.
They smell.
So I thought these were stickers. They're not. They're just little pieces of paper. But I guess you could put tape on them.
Maybe it's like, maybe they were thinking about putting the tape on those. Maybe it's double-sided tape.
Well, Annie's getting creative there. But anyway.
Comment down below which one you like the best. And also, you want to show which one you like the best?
Yeah, which one did you like the best, Annie, out of your box? As she makes a huge mess. The hole puncher? She liked the hole puncher. I think I like the best this little pen or the spray bottle.
Yeah,
because I think Mommy's
also
gonna end
this.
up using that more.
Yeah.
So those were Annie's favorite, the squishies, because I refuse to buy her squishies because they're just too much money and she's just gonna lose it and break it. Anyways, alright guys, thanks so much for watching. This was the January Kawaii box with my daughter Annie.
And I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching this video with me. Annie's hoping to do more with me and we'll see what happens in the future, but thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.